So I bet you didn't know that you can make money right now using your personal credit card. Yeah, I'll say it again for the people in the back. You can make money right now by utilizing your personal credit card. All right. You probably got a personal credit card just sitting around somewhere, not even using it. Okay. Which is fine because we know that we get most benefits from using business credit cards. However, there's a secret out there that most people aren't going to tell you of how you can leverage your personal credit card to make money. And when I say make money, I'm not just talking about pennies on a dollar. No, you literally can generate a six-figure business just simply off of taking advantage of your personal credit card that you already probably got lying around. All right. So in this section right here, I'm going to teach you how to do just that. Okay. Now, disclaimer. Unfortunately, the strategy that I'm going to teach you does not apply to business credit cards. Okay. This strategy that I'm teaching you right now in this section is strictly just for your personal credit card. Okay. At this point, we already know what we can do with our business credit cards. We already know the advantages of a business credit card, right? So let me show you how to leverage your personal credit card, because we know personal credit cards doesn't give you no benefits, right? Except for this method right here. Let me show you how to run a six-figure business or how to make six figures simply by using your personal credit card that you already got lying around. All right, let me show you how. Follow me. Okay, so how to make money off of your personal credit card. This is super simple. Do not overcomplicate this, okay? Super simple. Follow me. So I know that banks will allow up to 10 authorized users at one time per credit card, okay? So what I'm going to do is go out and find 10 people that needs to repair and build their credit report, right? So that way they can leverage my credit card to help reflect on their credit profile, to help boost their credit profile. Okay. Because when you add somebody as an authorized user, whatever credit limit you have for your card and the history of how long you've had this credit card is going to reflect on the authorized user's credit profile. Okay. So they're just leveraging your good credit card to help reflect and mirror their credit report, right? Because they need that help of boosting and building their credit report. So what you would do is find 10 people that need to build their credit report. And what you would do is just simply add them as an authorized user to your personal credit card. So that way they can leverage this credit card that's going to positively reflect on their credit profile. Okay. So just say I charge $400 per authorized user. Well, guess what, guys? If I know that I can have up to 10 authorized users at one time, if I charge $400 per authorized user, 400 times 10 is $4,000. So I literally just made $4,000 off this one credit card. The great thing about that is you can redo this every 60 days. Okay. So when it comes to authorized users, banks will only allow your authorized users to be on your credit card for up to 60 days at a time. Okay. So for every 60 days, I'm going to just keep doing this method over and over again. So I know that one credit card, up to 10 authorized users, I charge $400 per authorized user. I literally just made $4,000 just by having a credit card. Now, what if I do two credit cards? All right. We already know 400 times 10 is 4,000. I have two, that's $8,000. I have three, that's $12,000. And so on and so on and so on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 credit cards. Guys, you can do this. This is how you make six figures off of just having personal credit cards. And all you got to do is just keep repeating this cycle every 60 days over and over and over and over again. You just made $6,000 just by having personal credit cards. So simple. All right. So I want you to try this. Go out and do this right now. Don't just take my word for it. Go out and do it. And once you do it, you're going to be like, wow, I wish I would have started doing this a long time ago. Well, no worries. You can do it now. Take advantage of this opportunity, guys. This is how you make money, just by simply just having a personal credit card. It's easy. It's simple. I made 6 figures just doing this. 6 figures just off of this. So go out, go apply it, do it yourself, and come back and let me know how much money you made.